previously we ran into some type errors when we tried to concatenate strings and numbers inside of print statements. And we're going to see how we can fix that using the comma format, and it allows us to combine them easily. So this is the old way that we would try to combine these elements using the addition, and we know that we can't add the strings and the numbers together, and so we get that type error. And so the way that we can fix that is you could create a string out of the number, or we could use a comma. So this is a great improvement, is now I'm allowed to legally combine a number and a string in the same print statement. So let's look below with a number variable. So I have num_error equals 0, and then I have this longish print statement separated with commas using the comma formatting, and I have a string int equals, and then I have a literal number, and then I have a literal string, and then I have this number here as well that is the variable number error, which would be 0, and then followed with a string. So I can alternate strings and numbers, or I can do variable numbers and hard-coded numbers, and let's see how that runs. And so that works. My 14 shows up fine, and my number of 0 errors came up, and indeed we got 0 errors in that. So in this lesson, we learned that we can combine numbers with strings using the comma print formatting, and then that can really speed up our display of information.